Hello everyone, I am Nitisha from the 9 Pointer and today we are going to make Rook from chess in AutoCAD. So let's see what's there in the drawing today. Here we observe that our both of the sides of this Rook is symmetrically divided from this line. So let's just make half of the portion and we will mirror it to the opposite side. Okay, so let's take this pan command, move our main drawing to the left and we are good to go. So let's first make this line for our reference and then we will make half of the portion. I am taking same reference. You can start from anywhere you like. So we will start by making these two bottom lines of 120 and 100 and this arc. So our half distance will be 60 and 50. So let's take our line command. We'll click, drag and enter 60 and press enter. Now press escape. Again press enter to repeat the command. Now we'll come to this point and we will drag our cursor upwards and enter 10 as elevation. Press enter. And now we will go towards right and enter a distance of 50 and press enter. Now press escape. Now here we need an arc. So go to this arc drop down and select this start and an angle arc. So let's select our first point, select our next point. Here we are getting circle in opposite direction. So keep pressing Ctrl on the keyboard and take our cursor to the angle of 90 degree and click. Here we got our arc. Okay, so we are done with our bottom. Next, here we are having this circle whose center is at a distance of 40 from this main line and 15 from this bottom line. And our diameter is given as 35. So let's go to the circle drop down and select the center diameter circle. Now from this point, we will extend till 40. Press enter. And we will enter a diameter of 35. Press enter. Now select the circle, choose our this move command. We will move from the center point of the circle to upwards to a distance of 15 and press enter. We got our circle. Now for making this line, we will have to make this line first. So let's make this line. This line is having a width of half of 60, that is 30, and our elevation from bottom is 155. So let's take our line command. From the bottom here, we will extend our pointer to 155 and we will make a line of distance 30 and press enter. Now we will join this line to the intersection of this circle to the baseline and press escape. Now we will trim this circle. You choose this trim command and just trim these portions of the circle. Okay, so now here we want this small arc of radius 80. So press escape. We will join them by using fillet command. So let's just select our fillet command. Come down to this command line, select this radius, enter the radius of 80 units, press enter. Now select this line and select this circle. Okay, so we are done with that. Now for the upper portion, we see that this distance till here is 60 and till this line it is 70. So this distance will be 5 units and our upper portion width is 90 units. Let's make till that. Let's take our line command. From this point we will go towards right till 5 units. Now press escape. Again, from this point, we will go upwards. We will just extend till 10 units and make a line of 70 units. Okay, half of the 70 units. Press Ctrl Z and towards side 45. Okay, press escape now. Now we need to join this using the same arc. So let's go to this drop down, select this start, end, and angle arc. Choose this first point, choose this second point, and for the angle, again keep pressing Ctrl on your keyboard and make an angle of 90° and click. Now our elevation of this portion is 40 and our width is 90. Also for these small rectangles, here our horizontal width is 50 and all other widths are 10. So let's make our upper portion here. Take this line command. From this point, we'll go upwards till 40 units. Now we will go towards left till 15. Press enter. Now down we will go of 10. Again to the left of 10 units. Now upwards enter 10 units. Towards left we will go 15 units. We will go down of 10 units and just join with this line. Now press escape. So we have made half of the portion. So just select whole half portion, whatever we have made, and go and choose this mirror command and then select this line. And do not erase the source object. Now we can delete this line. Okay. So we are done with our drawing. Let's just hatch this whole drawing. So go to this hatch command. We'll choose this solid hatch and we will hatch in whole drawing in all the portions. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then just close hatch creation. Okay. So we are done with our drawing. Let me just change the color of this dimensioning so that for while printing it will be visible. So go to this drop down, select this color of a layer and change it to black. Okay. Again go to this drop down, go to this reference section, change its color to the dark shade of gray. Press OK. Now here you might be having this layout one. Go to this layout one. Here is our drawing. If you are getting layout like this, then do the double tap outside, then select this border and then just extend it like this and from this portion also. Okay, so I'm going to the layout one back. Now we will go to this print option. We will choose the name of this printer as we will choose as high quality print. Here we have chosen the layout and leave it all other things and press OK. I will print it in desktop and save. And here is our final print. So in the whole process, if you're having any doubt at any point, feel free to drop down a message or you can mail us on our mail ID. If you want to access this DWG file, you can access it from our GitHub account. I will put its link in the description below. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.